Hello, Brevard. My name is John Scott. I'm the director for your Brevard County Emergency Management Agency. I want to talk to you today a little bit about hurricane season, which is right around the corner. It runs from June 1st to November 30th, and while it's important we take this time to be prepared for hurricanes, we want to make sure we're being prepared year-round. And one of the ways we do that is through our pathways for preparedness. It's 5 simple steps that we can all do. So step 1 is knowing our risks. So are we vulnerable to hurricanes, any sort of flooding or storm surge, or maybe wind because we live in an older home or a mobile or manufactured home, which is simply just not strong enough against those higher winds that we might see with storms. We want to make sure we know what those risks are and that we're aware of what that means for our families and our homes. The second step is to make sure we have a disaster supply kit. So make sure we have food, water, hygiene items, any medications. Those are all critical to getting through any sort of storm or longer event. The third step is having a plan, right? So we've got our first 2 steps in place. Third step is making sure we know what we're doing, where we're going to go, how we're going to get there. Our fourth step, that's knowing where to get good information. That's staying informed throughout the duration of the event. So places like the National Weather Service Melbourne, the National Hurricane Center in Miami, those are all who we rely on and who we recommend to you for their most up-to-date and current information. And then our last step is getting involved, right? So once we've taken the time to get our families prepared, ourselves prepared, we now need to focus on our neighbors and our community. So making sure that we're doing this neighborhood by neighborhood, community by community, because that's the way we're going to get to a culture of preparedness, which is our ultimate goal, right? So for more tips on this, you can visit our website, which is embrevard.com. You can follow us on Facebook, Twitter, or Nextdoor, and you can always sign up to receive text directly from us by texting Brevard EOC to 888-777. Thank you for your time, and stay safe, Brevard.